Hey, in this video, I will show you how to make your Instagram business account private, whether or not it's possible, how you can do it, because you actually can, and it works on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me putting in the effort, you can actually reward me by giving this video a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribing if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. So obviously you want to go on Instagram, and from here, you want to click on the three dashes at the top right corner, go over to settings. From settings, you want to click on privacy. And if you're a private account, you can switch it on. But look at that, creator accounts can be private. So to have a creator account be private, you actually gotta go on your account and switch account type to a personal account. So if I go to my personal account right here, as you can see, I can just go on the three dashes, settings, privacy again, private account. Here it is. I can just make the account public or private with just this button. So if this video helped you out, give me a like. Any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I want to see you in the next video.